Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you denim crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Denim is a strong and very popular fabric. It is perfect for making creative and stylish craft. Denim crafts are fun, friendly and full of personality. Viewers, you can use all jeans, denim jackets for crafting. This gives new life to our cloth. Reduce waste. Recycling. Denim is creative, useful and suitable. Denim craft can be made in many ways. You can create bags, wallets, pencil case or baskets. You can also make a wall hanging crosschair or table mats. Color and details make this denim craft special. You can mix different shapes of denim from light blue to dark colors, adding patch, embroidery, button or lace give a unique look. Denim craft are perfect for diverse projects. Even beginner can make simple crafts like pouches or coaster. More advanced project can include patchwork bags or decorative baskets. All denim is very strong, so your craft will last a long time. It is durable, easy to swing and very creative. And work with denim crafts combine style, art and practical. You can also personal your denim crafts, add embroidery of fabric print. The fabric paint to make them unique. It is perfect for gifts, home decoration or personal use. Denim craft are perfect for all age. Children can make small projects while adults can try advanced designs. They are fun, creative and a great way to use leftover fabric. Denim crafts are not only creative but also stylish. They give a casual, modern and handmade charm to your home. Every project is unique, colorful and full of personality. And making denim crafts teach fantasy, creative and friendly habit. Every stitch, patch and designs add to the beauty of your craft. It is simple, fun and way to recycle or denim crafts are timeless and full of style. They are practical, creative and perfect for gifts or home decoration. Every denim craft project is a small piece of art. Is fun, durable and beautiful. Viewers and friends, and always thanks for watching my channel. And viewers, thanks for watching.